happened. As soon as the flight took off, after approximately 10 minutes, it just went up, and from up it went down, creating a lot of turbulence. The flight was almost upside down. There was no announcement from the crew members, no announcement from the pilot, causing a lot of anxiety, tension and worries after the Air India flight crash. I don't know who is at fault, but we all are wishing that we all reach our destination safe.